Hello and good Sunday morning, week 25 review. Starting off by having a look at two very important things right now. One, on the left-hand side, you can see is the UUP, which is an ETF, which is dollar long. And right now, you're looking at a weekly chart. It is, excuse me, stuck at a level, which is starting to make a lot of people feel uncomfortable. And this is the reason why. So I'm going to quickly take you over to the CFTC report from Scotiabank. As you can see, there was a huge inflection point in euro positioning, a flip from near 7 billion to actually a negative in a very short period of time. Initially, I thought this is a data blip, but it looks like it is accurate. And that also means that a lot of the long positions have been flushed on the euro side, which means for dollar to move higher, we really need a new story here, or I need more liquidity and chaos to drive dollar higher. And this double top formation is very questionable. So I'll be eyeing this. I'm not saying short just yet. I'm not saying this is the top and we're about to tumble, but it's certainly becoming very, very interesting, specifically if you have a look at euro and dollar yield spreads, which we talked about extensively in previous videos. Some to keep an eye on as we roll into next week. But 1 to 2 trades I'm very interested in for the week ahead is being long Swiss franc. Following what the central bank said, I think there is loads of room for improvement. So if we go down to the dailies and bulls chart, I believe there's still room for improvement. CHF JPY to go higher. If you recall, we had a video, I believe it was mid-May, and we talked about how CHF JPY is on a trajectory for central bank divergence. There's definitely a trend brewing here, but also AUDCHF, because commodity currencies are tumbling lower. I'm very interested to see if I can establish a short next week in AUDCHF. 1 or 2 levels that are important for me to hold will be probably around these levels here. I'm just going to annotate them. So if I can see maybe a rebound from these levels and then establish an intraday short, that would be ideal for me trades for next week. We have important data from the UK, the CPI data. We also have some German data for as well. So we're going to have more videos throughout the week to engage with them. Tomorrow is, yes, a Juneteenth holiday, which means liquidity is going to be a little dry up. That's why I don't really want to go into too much detail right now, as I have more information as the week comes along and trade ideas we can engage with. But for now, AUDCHF from these levels short looks good. If possibility, I like to do a franc yen long as well and keep an eye on what's happening on the dollar side, as I think there's a big move brewing. Thank you everybody for joining. I'll be in touch throughout the week again, and we have a little bit more longer videos as I have more information coming online. Thanks everybody, and wish you a successful week.